Hi everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today I will teach you how to print table of 2 or table of any given number using while loop in Python. So to start with, I will first need to initialize my counter variable. As I am printing table of 2, so my counter variable will also start from 2. So I will set I is equal to 2 like this. And in the next line, I will add my condition, that is I less than equal to 20. In the next line, after adding some indentation, I will just print value of I, that is print I. And the last step is to increment I. As I am printing table of 2, so obviously incrementation value will be 2. So I will increment it by 2. I is equal to I plus 2. If I run this program, it will show me table of 2 as you can see in the output window 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 20. Now what if I need to print it in a proper format? For example, as we did in our childhood days, like 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2, 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So for that, I need to make some changes. Firstly, I will start my counter variable from 1 and I will keep it up to less than equal to 10 and I will increment it by 1. Now I need to use f string here. I will add f double quotes and here I need to add some constant values like 2 multiply. Here I need to use value of I, so I will add I in the curly braces. After that I will add equal to and again I will use curly braces to get 2 multiply I. So in this way, when I will be 1, it will show me 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. When I will be 2, it will show me 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. When I will be 3, it will show me 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. In this way, it will show me up to 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. Now if I run this program, it will show me table of 2 in a proper format. As you can see, 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2, 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4, up to 2 multiply 10 is equal to 20. Now, if I need to print table of any given number, means I am not just printing table of 2, I want to print table of any number that is provided by user. For that, I need to take a number. I will take n is equal to, and I will get its value from user like input. I will give user a message, enter any number. Obviously, I need to convert it into int. This we have already studied. So I will convert it into an integer value. And now in place of 2, I will just replace n. And I want to get value of n. So I will add curly bracket also like this. N multiply I is equal to n multiply I. In this way, I can get table of any number that I want. So if I run this program, it will ask me for a number, enter any number. If I enter here 6, it will show me table of 6. As you can see, 6 multiply 1 is equal to 6, 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12, up to 6 multiply 10 is equal to 60. If I run it again, and if I enter here 9, it will show me table of 9. As you can see, 9 multiply 1 is equal to 9, 9 multiply 2 is equal to 18, up to 9 multiply 10 is equal to 90. In this way, I can print table of 2 or table of any given number in Python using while loop. So in the coming video series, I will teach you some more complex programs of Python. Till then, keep liking, keep subscribing. Thank you very much.